If you've muted someone on X and now you want to start seeing their posts and replies again, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to unmute an account on X.com, step by step, so you can do it in just a few seconds on desktop. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open X in your browser and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the platform, the easiest way to unmute someone is to go directly to their profile. You can search for their name in the search bar at the top, or if you recently came across one of their posts, you can open that post from your feed. When you're on their profile, look near their username and follow button area for the three dots, also known as the More menu. If you're doing this from one of their posts, you can also find the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Click those three dots to open the options menu. From the drop-down list, look for the Unmute option. This is the setting that removes the mute from that account and allows their content to show up in your timeline again. Click Unmute. In some cases, X may show a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to unmute this account. If that happens, simply click Yes, Unmute to confirm your choice. Once you do that, the account will be unmuted immediately. That's really all there is to it. The person is now unmuted, which means their posts, replies, and activity can start appearing again depending on your feed settings and how X ranks content. If you want to double-check that it worked, you can revisit the same profile and confirm that the mute option is no longer active. If you ever want to silence them again later, you can always go back and mute them using the same three-dot menu. This is a helpful feature if you muted someone by accident, or if you just want to reconnect with updates from an account without following any extra steps. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how your X feed feels day to day. If this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.